Chapter 5 PowerPoint 2021. PowerPoint is an application software developed by Microsoft for creating presentations, photo albums, and storyboards. They are commonly used by teachers, students, working people for business meetings and for training and educational purposes. Through presentation, you can communicate ideas, messages, and other information to the viewers. Presentation is a collection of individual slides that contain information on a topic. A presentation created using PowerPoint consists of individual pages called slides. A slide can contain text, images, audio clips, and videos. When multiple slides are displayed together in sequence in full screen mode, it is called a slideshow. Starting PowerPoint 2021. Let's learn to start PowerPoint program. Step 1. Click on the Start button. The Start menu will appear. Step 2. Click on All apps. Step 3. Scroll through the app list until you reach PowerPoint and click on the icon. The Start screen of the PowerPoint window will appear. Step 4. Click on the blank presentation. The presentation window with a blank slide will appear titled as Presentation 1, PowerPoint. It is its default name. PowerPoint 2021 window. This is how PowerPoint 2021 window looks like. Let us learn about its various components. Title bar. This topmost bar allows to view the currently displayed presentation. Quick Access Toolbar. It displays the quick commands like save, undo, redo, etc. File tab. When we click on File tab, a backstage view appears with list of commands such as save, open, and print. Ribbon. It contains various commands for working on the presentation. The ribbon has various tabs such as Home, Insert, and Design. The commands under each tab are organized into various groups. Each group contains a set of commands specific to a task. Program control buttons. Use these buttons to minimize the program window, restore the window to full size, or close the window. Slide pane. The area displays the large view of the current slide. We can enter text, graphics, or animations directly in this pane. Slide thumbnail pane. It displays the thumbnail version of each slide of the slide pane. Text placeholder. It allows us to type titles, body text, and bulleted list in slides. Notes pane. It displays the notes for the current slide. This is a text area that consists of notes meant for us or remarks to share with the audience. View options. They allow us to quickly change the way our presentation that is displayed on the screen. Normal view, slide sorter view, reading view, and slideshow view are the four main views of PowerPoint. Test your knowledge. Suppose you could design a campaign to become an environmental hero using PowerPoint. What actions would you encourage others to take? Features of PowerPoint 2021. PowerPoint 2021 for Windows enables you to create compelling content and includes co-authoring features, inking tools, data types, functions, translation and editing tools, motion graphics, ease of use features, and so much more. Let's explore its remarkable features. Visual refresh. Enjoy a fresh and modern look when you start. The tabs at the top have been updated to make them easier to use. You'll see a clean, clear style with monoline iconography, neutral color palette, and softer window corners. These updates communicate action and provide features with simple visuals. Co-authoring, you and your colleagues can open and work on the same document. This is called co-authoring. A document saved on OneDrive or SharePoint can now have multiple people editing simultaneously using the desktop apps of Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. You will see icons of everyone's photo who is currently in the file. Know who's in your document, see who else is working along with you and where they are in your PowerPoint document. Autosave, upload your files to OneDrive, OneDrive for Business, or SharePoint online to make sure all your updates are saved automatically. Microsoft Search, you can find what we need using Microsoft Search. At the top of your Microsoft Office apps on Windows, you'll find the new Microsoft Search box. This powerful tool helps you quickly find what you're looking for, such as text, commands, help, and more. Draw tab. The Draw tab allows users to be creative in Microsoft PowerPoint files with tab additions such as point eraser, ruler, and lasso tools. You can replay your ink strokes by clicking on Ink Replay button. Accessibility Checker. Microsoft introduces AI-powered Copilot for PowerPoint. It will work in apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, and more. Review, check accessibility suggests how to improve documents. Translate, use review, translate on a phrase or your entire slide into different language using the Microsoft Translator online service. It is a translation tool for emails, phrases, and virtually anything. Changing the slide layout. When we open a blank presentation, a title slide is displayed. It is the first slide to introduce the presentation. The dotted rectangular boxes on the slide are called placeholders, which contain text, table, chart, or any other component. However, there are many slide layout options available in PowerPoint 2021. Slide layout defines how the text, picture, chart, or other tools will appear on the slide. When we insert a new slide, it will usually have the placeholders to show us where the content will be placed. Let's learn to change the layout of the slide. Step 1. Click on Home tab. Step 2. From the Slides group of the Home tab, click on the Layout option. Slide layout will appear with multiple options. Step 3. Click on the desired layout design to apply to the slide. The layout of the slide will be changed. FactGPT. By harnessing the power of AI tools in PowerPoint, you can elevate your presentations. AI can provide valuable insights and enhancements to make your presentation stand out. Formatting presentation. Formatting makes our presentation look attractive and effective. Look at the formatting options available on the Home tab. Font style, font size, bold, italics, underline, shadow, font color. Presentations can be made impressive by addition of text, images, clip arts, etc. Based upon the slide layout. The required text, graphics, pictures, or sound can be added in the slide. FactGPT. PowerPoint was developed by Dennis Austin and Thomas Rudkin at Forethought Incorporated. Adding text to the slide. Let's learn to insert text in the blank slides. Step 1. Click on the Insert tab. Step 2. From the text group, click on Text box. Step 3. Click on the slide where you want to add text while holding and dragging the mouse. A box having cursor will appear. The ribbon settings automatically change to Home tab and you can select the font style, color and size from here. Step 4. Type or paste the required text. To insert text in the placeholder, click inside the placeholder and type or paste the text. Adding a new slide. A PowerPoint presentation is a combination of many slides. After creating a title slide, our next step is to add a new slide in the presentation. We can add any number of slides as per the requirement. Let's learn to insert a new slide in PowerPoint 2021. Step 1. Click on the Home tab and then on the Slides group. Step 2. From the Slides group, click on the drop-down arrow below the new slide. Slide layout window will appear. Step 3. Click on the layout that you want for your slide. Click on New Slide option from the Slides group of the Home tab. New slide with the same layout appears. Adding picture to the slide. Let us learn to insert picture in PowerPoint 2021. Step 1. Click on the Insert tab. Step 2. From the Images group, click on the Pictures option. It will show 3 options to insert picture from this device, stock images and online pictures. Step 3. Choose this device. The Insert Picture dialog box will appear. Step 4. Click on the desired picture to insert in the slide. Step 5. Click on the Insert button. The picture will be inserted. Fact GPT. Press Ctrl+M on the keyboard to open a new slide in the presentation. Running a slideshow. Slideshow view in PowerPoint is used to display the presentation on or from the computer. This is the best way to view or preview the presentation to ensure it is clear, focused and has the impact on the audience that you want. Let's learn steps to view a slideshow of the presentation. Step 1. Click on the Slideshow tab. Step 2. From the Slideshow group, click on From Beginning to view the entire presentation. However, if you want to view the presentation from the current slide onwards, click on From Current Slide. Step 3. Use arrow keys or click on the left mouse button to move from one slide to another. Step 4. Click on the Exit option at the end of the slides to exit the slideshow. Or we can press Escape key to exit the slideshow anytime. Fact GPT. F5 is the shortcut key to run the slideshow from the first slide. Navigating slides during slideshow. PowerPoint offers the following keyboard shortcut keys that help us move through various slides during a slideshow. Let's learn about the keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcut S. Purpose. Page down, right arrow, down arrow, enter, N. To advance to the next slide. Page up, left arrow, up arrow, backspace, P. To move back to the previous slide. Escape, Ctrl+Break. To end a slideshow. Number of the slide followed by enter. To move to a specific slide. Fact GPT. We can also press Ctrl+W on the keyboard to close the file and Alt+F4 to exit the program. Saving a presentation. After creating the presentation, it must be saved for future use. We can review and edit the presentation anytime in future. The extension to save PowerPoint file is .pptx. Let's learn to save the presentation. Step 1. Open the File tab. Click on Save As or Save option. A dialog box will appear. Step 2. Select the desired drive folder to save the presentation. Step 3. Write the name of the file and click on Save button. Recap Pilot. PowerPoint is a popular software developed by Microsoft. The presentation is a collection of individual slides that contain information on a topic. Presentation 1. PowerPoint is default name of presentation. We can add any number of slides as per the requirement. Slideshow view in PowerPoint is used to display the presentation on or from the computer. PowerPoint offers the following keyboard shortcut keys that help us move through various slides during a slideshow. The extension to save PowerPoint file is .pptx. Gloss GPT. Presentation, a means of communication with the help of tools such as charts, pictures, diagrams and sound. Slide, an individual page of a presentation created using PowerPoint. Slideshow, an arrangement and presentation of multiple slides in a sequential order. Placeholder, containers that hold the content in the slide.